You know, I mean in Tokyo. If you see me, then you know you have to go.
सुबह सुबह तुम लोग 2 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा ऑन करके ऐसे वीडियो बना रहे हो, अरे शर्म करो।
Being alive, lots of fun. Very good. I am Sanya. We are in some part of Navi Mumbai, and we've come to off-road because God forbid there are roads. What will we do?
Okay, so Rahul, tell me about
He's like,
Rahul, tell me about off-roading.
bro, before, 1 second, I'll tell you in a sec.
Yeah, okay, you take your time, no stress.
Just give me 1 sec.
Oh, am I going to drive like this?
I'm someone, we are at stop, and this is someone stop Sanya. I'm Rahul, one of Sanya's really close friends. We are right now at Mahapay, which is like Mega Pay, and nobody really knows about this. It's virgin lands. We come here to take its virginity.
For the audience watching, I have the biggest crush on Rahul.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt.
I have been Didi zoned by my crush of the month.
Crush of the month is crazy.
भाई रुक जा 1 second यार.
Find you a man who ignores you as you confess your love for them.
The more you ignore her, the more
No, she wants you. Good point, good point. I'm Ashna. I'm Sanya's friend, unfortunately, and she has brought me for this off-roading adventure. I'm here to pump her up. I'm here to tell her that she has the roadie spirit and वो task खत्म करेगी. That's it. That's my role.
You know what I've been doing since morning? See, since morning I've been searching on YouTube.
How to drive.
Sanya, you're mad over it. Like I'm not even doing how to drive.
How to drive.
अबे at least जो पागल है क्या? अबे at least search how to drive on off road.
But first, how to drive? No, first you have to learn basics.
Fuck. Yeah, this shows amazing episode.
And just enjoy the nature.
No, Rahul.
I haven't prayed in 2 years, so I first prayed because I realized that she wants to do it. I can do it, but she wants to do it in my car. So I've just been praying actually for 1 month.
I think I'm making you very nervous, Rahul.
अरे no, don't worry. I'm just making you cautious.
Oh, I see. Chal, Rahul, let's do it. Yeah. Chal.
अबे पागल, it's not that easy.
Okay, sorry. No.
It's very tough.
Okay, we won't do it.
वो जिप्सी अटक गई जो गाड़ी उसके लिए बनी हुई है यार. ये गाड़ी में मैंने कुछ मॉड भी नहीं किया है.
I'm going to shut up now.
Hi, my name is Pranav and we are here in Mahapay, Navi Mumbai. We are here to off-road and learn off-roading, and you're going to see a lot of crazy stuff and I'm sure you're going to love it.
In such small, easy things also, it's so tough today, man. It's like really not. It's not easy, bro. This is like rains have made everything so mucky.
So now how will I do?
You will do. How नहीं कुछ देगा.
Okay, I'll do.
You will do.
I have never had the urge to drive in my life. I love to be a passenger. I don't have that feeling only to drive. They've been doing donuts around here. I can do that in Mario Kart. I'm pretty decent at it if you hit right. But here it is a little bit stressful.
Straight. Hey, that's right now, brother. Bhai, that's right.
I think it is not cut out for her, basically. So she's cut out. Lovely, lovely. So this is the track. क्या बोलते हैं? This is the we've arrived to the place.
Okay.
So better you take it over. This is
Choke. Purposely doing for
यहाँ से नीचे all good यहाँ से नीचे
I am very nervous. I'll be very honest, I'm very nervous. But I'm also confident because she has a great group of people here. We are quite supporting and we'll make sure she's safe and she does all these obstacles, you know, beautifully and gracefully.
This episode, it's death. So it's I'm not excited. But I'm actually more scared that I might shit my pants. But luckily it's very muddy. Hopefully no one will realize.
But तू मुझे बता ना where how do I enter there? Left, right से?
Just enter.
ऐसा हरामी आदमी है. Just enter. Rahul, there are very few Sindhis in the world. Pura population don't remove now
Just
only.
because Gujjus are too many, you cannot.
अंदर आ सेंटर में. आजा आएगी. पावर दे.
Full है full.
पीछे ले, रुक जा. पीछे ले, जगह पे पीछे ले. हाँ, आगे ले, रुक जा. आगे ले. स्टीयरिंग व्हील लेफ्ट घुमा. पीछे ले. You have to do आगे पीछे only. That is the only way. हाँ, पीछे. Yes, use that. ले, निकल. भागा आगे. निकल, निकल, let's go. It usually takes about a couple of drives. So if this is your first time, next time you're the one who's going to be like, when are we going next? And by the third time, you're going to be making plans on your own. So it's usually people just, it just happens on its own.
I'm ready now. Now I'm ready. Now I want to kill it. I just have to believe in myself. So I thought I'll be sitting next to Rahul. Little did I know that I have to take the steering wheel. Pranav,
Bye.
I'm ready. Chalo.
So I've just been praying actually for 1 month.
Come. Everything is set for you to go. Straight. First straight here. Now go right. Go right. Give accelerator. Give.
Oh, more.
Go. Go. Right. Left.
Shall we go?
Yeah, go right.
Yeah, baby.
Mad.
Oh, we're doing it.
Stop. तो भाई मेरे को करने देना एक बार.
Rahul, in the beginning, we just started with donuts. Pranav said that, put your foot on the accelerator and then let it go. And then just keep it at the right. So I followed those instructions. I follow instructions, okay? I'm a teacher's pet, we know this. As soon as there is authority, somehow I understand.
Go. Done. Now slow, now slow, now slow, now slow, now slow. Left, come. Slow. In,
Sorry, for excitement.
No worries. Little slow. Right. Slow.
Hey, shut this now.
Do that. Done? Break. Sorry.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा break दे.
Go a little ahead. That's it.
Chal, not bad, no?
Bro, you killed it. What do you mean by bad? Put on neutral, wait.
No. I don't honestly think I'm better than Rahul. He has more experience than I do. I think beginner's luck a little bit. Rahul is a very cautious guy. He's just making sure that we are safe throughout.
We never jam our brakes.
Okay,
Because
slowly.
imagine you're a slice of butter.
Huh.
Okay. If you're gonna jam your brakes, you're just gonna slide in the direction that it's looking.
Looking into. Okay, so you
if
have to go
you
slowly.
end up turning this way, you'll just keep going like that.
Copy.
So we need to have our wheels moving, because the second you get scared and jam your brakes,
The
is
car will
when-
topple.
Haan.
So Pranav actually is very good at this. He first of all has a lot of confidence in you. He instills confidence in you, which is good, and he makes it seem like it's easy. And even though it's not, you can tell it's not easy. But like he's just like take it before you can think. You're on the road.
Okay.
Keep moving.
So first thing, what's important is the lineup.
Huh. ये थोड़ा स्टीप नहीं है मेरे लिए.
कोई बात नहीं, एक बार, 2 बार, 10 बार करेंगे.
ठीक है.
Then you will start feeling comfortable.
ठीक है.
That's the feeling.
Understood. There was a moment when we were going down the slope. I was turning a little too into the jhad there.
ठीक है. Slowly. No hurry. First is a lineup. कुछ नहीं होगा till the time your गाड़ी is tipping होगा नीचे की तरफ. Perfect जा रहे हो. चलो. If there are no mistakes in this, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सिर्फ डब होता है कुछ. Don't worry.
Okay. I brake now. So that
हाँ,
we're in
break.
line. Okay.
Are you 2 on the brake पकड़ो. हाँ, are you नहीं मत करो, कुछ भी move मत करो. Then again this time. Are you on the? Is your right tire on that height or is it across it?
It's नीचे right now.
Right side ना. तो
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा we'll try to go हल्का सा left.
हल्का सा left.
Steering is where? हाँ, perfect. चलो आओ. Yes. Just go straight. Straight रखो. Steering हल्का
Straight.
right.
हल्का right.
More right. Go. See, no matter what, your direction of where you want to go is determining where your steering is.
Okay. So
ठीक है?
more right, no?
अभी तो we'll just go straight. Just try going धीरे straight. It will automatically slide. Don't worry.
But we're going to
Brake. Right मारो. हाँ. Now हल्का सा छोड़ो गाड़ी. धीरे it will go down there. जाओ. अभी straighten करना steering. Lovely. कोई बात नहीं. Right करो. Keep going. दो एक्सी.
Accelerator.
Easy. Where was the hub? Nothing.
I think we managed to, turn it back around, but yeah.
So we decided to basically go on a track where I thought my car was a little too wide for the road. Who likes to come back from a trip, right? So while going it was easy, and while coming back, so everyone just came in my car and we've like straight up gone कि चल पूरी टोली भर के Germany करके we'll go, okay? We tried it like 4-5 times back. Sania at one point was literally she could touch the water. These guys finally they realized that they are pylons and they got out.
I love Rahul. Please, Rahul. Survive, Rahul. Rahul.
That's the exhaust.
Rahul. Rahul is yeah. That's my discovery through this whole thing. Rahul is a loser. He's very unconfident. I am best driver. After the few donuts, we did one small hill. Accelerating on that small hill honestly gave me the confidence to do everything else. I was like, okay, now that I've managed this one hill, then all hills we'll manage.
So I think the rumors are correct. I think she did drive better than Rahul. I think she was way more confident. Rahul is more experienced. And Rahul was actually trying to save our lives. So he was extra cautious because there were 2-3 girls in the car, and he's like, you know what, y'all are in my car. I can't let y'all die.
Dude, Sanya did fab. I'll be very honest. I feel like she's gonna make more plans herself, and she's gonna come. She's gonna do this more often. You're gonna see a lot of Instagram videos and YouTube videos on off-roading now. I was just the guide. She did it on her own. There's nothing that I did. I'm just telling her it's fine, everything is okay. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Pretty good.
Guys, where is Rahul? उसका confessional लेना है.
Rahul is a